Hello, and welcome to my Slow English podcast. Before we begin, I want you to relax and enjoy this little journey with me. In the story I'm going to tell you, close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Imagine this place in your mind. Create a peaceful picture of this world with your imagination. As I describe every little detail, try to feel like you are really there. Feel the atmosphere, listen to the sounds, imagine the colors, and let yourself become a part of the story. Take a deep breath. Relax, and let's begin our journey together. On a quiet evening, when the world feels soft and slow, there's a small town surrounded by gentle hills. The sky is painted with warm colors, soft orange, light pink, and calm purple. The sun is slowly saying goodbye, and everything feels peaceful. In this town lives a young lady named Elena. She enjoys the simple moments in life. Every evening, she walks to her favorite place, a small wooden bench near a lake. The path is narrow, covered with small stones and wild flowers. Elena walks. She listens to the sound of nature. Birds are returning to their nests. The wind touches the leaves like a soft whisper. Everything around her feels familiar, safe, and comforting. She does not hurry. There is nowhere she needs to be. When she reaches the lake, she sits down on the wooden bench. The water is still, like a mirror. She can see the reflection of the sky and the fading sunlight dancing on the surface. Sometimes a small fish jumps, creating teeny circles that slowly disappear. Elena takes a deep breath. She likes this moment the most. It is the moment when her thoughts become quiet. She thinks about nothing important, only about the feeling of being present. No stress, no noise, just silence and peace. She opens a small notebook from her bag. She does not write anything difficult. Sometimes she writes one word like calm or home. Sometimes she draws small shapes, circles, stars, or waves. It does not matter what she creates. What matters is how she feels while doing it. As the sky becomes darker, small lights begin to appear in the town behind her. Windows glow warmly like little stars on earth. Elena smiles softly. She knows it is a time to go back, but she always stays a few extra minutes. Then she stands up slowly and walks back home under the quiet night sky, feeling lighter, calmer, and somehow more complete than before. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this listening practice helped you relax, improve your English, and enjoy this peaceful moment. If you enjoyed this kind of slow English listening practice and you want to listen to more relaxing stories, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next story. Until then, take care, stay calm, and keep learning English. Bye bye.